Hey, baby.
She's wild. Look at her tail.
Baby girl.
Purring? Is she crazy?
She likes the cold, don't she?
Yeah.
Mina.
She's nuts.
Hey.
She likes the cold.
Yeah.
She feels better being out here, huh?
You're wild, aren't you?
It's purring.
You're a wild thing, aren't you? She likes it. She's purring.
She's insane.
What are you doing?
She's happy. She's crazy.
You're crazy, aren't you?
Hi.
Oh.
What? Are you cold now? Want to be picked up now? She's
Hey,
purring.
honey. Hi. Ow, no, Mom. He's pushing the camera away from me. Hey. Hey, don't do that. Don't push the camera away. The camera loves you. Oh, I'm getting radio.
What are you doing?
What are you guys doing? I don't like her.
What are you growling for?
I never seen him growl before. So this is our snowman. Yeah, I got snow in my back. Snowball fight. No, don't hit me. That's silly. Oh. Take me down into your paradise. Wait a minute, it's winter though. Oh, don't you dare! Oh, you're gonna get it. Snowball fight! Okay. You wanna fight? Are you Elsa? Here. Okay. Here comes the biggest snowball. Hey, Bandit! Hey, boy, how are you? Yeah, hi. Hey, boy. Good? Jay, no, don't hit me! Oh. That's why he's enjoying the fight, aren't you? What are you doing? Okay. Oh my God. Oh, oh where are you? Okay. Oh yeah. Do I look silly? Oh my God. So this is our snowman. Okay. Don't you dare hit my butt. I seriously feel like Cameron Diaz in the holidays because the snow is so hard to walk in ever. I'm wearing these kind of shoes and outside in the snow because they are falling off my foot.